Joseph's luck was really out, his spirit and his fortune low. Alone he sat, alone he thought of happy times he used to know. Hey dreamer, don't be so upset. Hey Joseph, you're not beaten yet. Go, go, go Joseph, you know what they say. Hang on now Joseph, you'll make it someday. Sha-la-la Joseph, you're doing fine. You and your dream coat ahead of your time. Now into Joseph's prison cell were flung two very frightened men.
We don't think that we will ever see the light of day again. Hey Joseph, help us if you can. We've had dreams that we don't understand.
Both men were servants of Pharaoh the king, both in the doghouse for doing their thing. One was a baker, a cook in his prime. One was a butler, the chiefs of his time.
Tell me of your dreams, my friends, and I will tell you what they show. Though I cannot guarantee I'll get it right, I'll have a go.
First the butler trembling took the floor. Nervously he spoke of what he saw.
There I was standing in front of a vine. I picked some grapes and I crushed them to wine. I gave them to Pharaoh, who drank from my cup. I tried to interpret, but I had to give up.
You will soon be free, my friend, so do not worry anymore. The king will let you out of here. You'll muddle as you did before.
Next the baker rose to tell his dream, hoping it would have a similar theme.
There I was standing with baskets of bread. High in the sky I saw birds overhead. They flew to my basket and ate every slice. Give me the message, like his would be nice.
Sad to say, your dream is not the kind of dream I'd like to get. Pharaoh has it been for you, your execution date is set. Don't rely on all I said I saw. It's just that I have not been wrong before.
Joseph, you'll make it someday. Sha-la-la Joseph, you're doing fine.
history says.